Our factory is temperature controlled for high precision and equipped with the very latest environment-friendly equipment. With LED lighting and an air conditioning system combining electric and gas energy sources, temperature is carefully controlled throughout the year. Completed wire EDM machines can be seen here, along with actual machining demonstrations and machined items of a variety of shapes. Researchers here can create any possible machining environment as they work to develop new and innovative solutions to changing requirements. This high-precision temperature room, the heart of the wire EDM machine manufacturing process, can be controlled to within plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. The high-performance MM series and high-end Super MM series undergo final assembly and trial operation here. Our approach to manufacturing has always treasured the tradition of kisage scraping. Only master craftsmen can achieve this incredible flatness, still beyond the capabilities of automated machining. This scraping process is crucial in maintaining high machining precision over long periods of time. The measurement room is provided with the latest high-precision measurement systems. Sample pieces machined on completed wire EDM systems are measured here and precision checked from every angle. Under its corporate slogan of ultra-precision and mechatromation, Seibu Electric and Machinery has grown into a globally recognized mechatronics manufacturer. In keeping with the corporate philosophy that reliability will pioneer the future, we will continue to contribute to society by developing and applying new technologies and providing new products that answer emerging demand in environmentally safe ways.